Day two of our restoration. We have taken the door apart, and I'm going to need to dig out what I believe is probably some old wood on the inside, replace that and strengthen that up. And we also worked on taking off the belly band. And of course, we're going to have to go back and still cut out the rivets that you see here. That'll be a project for another day. And that wasn't so bad. We just used a couple of tools, a plier, and then also this hacksaw for the stubborn rivets. And then we power washed the Trillium. I started off by using that rotary attachment, but then I switched to this flat blade and I felt it was a bit more effective. I do hope to repaint the Trillium, so if this spraying action is taking off some of the, I guess, the gel coat, I'm not sure, doing damage, I'm okay with that because we do want to paint it. Gotta admit that it was super satisfying to watch that black crud come off the top. And so I'm just going to let this play a little bit and let you enjoy it as much as I did. The surface almost felt fuzzy. There was so much junk on top. Combination of dust and maybe some mold and maybe some lichen, but the flat blade for the power washer stripped it right off. Some areas came off easier than others. So I swear by barkeeper's friend. I've cleaned another camper. We have a casita, cleaned the whole thing, and it's pretty amazing after the pressure wash. And then just a coarse sponge, just a dish sponge is all I'm using, and some barkeeper's friend, and it really does an amazing job of cleaning off all the gunk. So here's the inside after day one. I also cleaned the inside, little barkeeper's friend and just some all-purpose spray. Discovered these interesting cuts in the floor after I pulled out the linoleum that was in there previously. So I'm not sure what was going on here. I think maybe they were having some water leaking and tried to remedy it that way. Well, here's the end of day two, I should say. And here's the exterior and what it's looking like. If we weren't going to repaint it, it could probably use a coat of wax and it would look really great. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to let me know in the comments.